Children are very emotional and have quick reactions to everything. Therefore, it is the responsibility of the parents to safeguard their child's emotional well-being. The most crucial time to develop a child's mental foundation is during the first 3 years of life. Parents, teachers, and other people who are involved in the child's life can greatly affect this factor. Kids gain bonding and emotional separation skills during this time. All adults involved in your child's life must work extremely hard during the first 3 years of life, to make sure that your child's emotional needs are met on a daily basis. When a child's emotional needs are not met during this period, it may lead to violent, disruptive, or defiant behaviors. Children's brains develop quickly, and by the time they are 3 years old, their experiences up to that point have already hardwired their brains. In order to make sure your child knows he or she is secure, safe, loved and treasured, you need to do your part. A child's emotional needs are just as important as their physical needs. With predictable and structured schedules and routines, your child feels safe and secure. Children must understand what is expected of them as well as what is expected of them. By addressing their children's emotional needs, parents help their kids develop a sense of self-worth and self-confidence. The foundation for healthy youth development is this. Children must understand that they are valued, respected, and loved without conditions. Parents can help their children develop self-worth and confidence by speaking to them in a supportive and encouraging way every day. Parents are aware of what their kids need, which is unwavering love. The foundation of unconditional love is the recognition of each child as a special individual with unique personal traits, abilities, and qualities that make them inherently special. Parents should concentrate on what their children did well rather than on their shortcomings and, if necessary, offer supportive yet constructive criticism. The assurance that someone believes in them and loves them without condition, gives children the confidence to face the challenges they face every day, when they receive positive affirmation from a parent. Thus, it is clear that parents are crucial to a child's emotional development. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.